The Leather Fashion YouTube channel is a platform for all things leather fashion, celebrating its versatility, elegance, and timeless appeal. It features a wide range of products from classic jackets, stylish pants, to chic handbags and accessories. The channel aims to help viewers discover how to incorporate leather into their personal style, whether they are dressing up for a special occasions or looking for everyday outfits. It also explores the latest trends in leather fashion, from runway looks to street style, and highlights ethical brands that prioritize sustainability. The channel also provides styling tips covering how to wear leather pieces, mix and match with other fabrics, and accessorize outfits for various occasions. It also covers the care and maintenance of leather goods, including cleaning, conditioning, and storing. The channel also features interviews with designers, artisans, and fashion influencers, providing a behind-the-scenes look at the creative process and passion behind the leather fashion industry. The channel encourages viewers to share their own leather fashion stories and ideas, and host question-answer sessions to address queries and offer personalized advice. Thank you for being a part of our leather fashion community.